What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome to the channel. My name is Corey and I am Platinum Built. Today we are out on an adventure on attempting to delete the traction control on my truck. But first we got to do this. All right, guys, so we came to the gas station where I can watch TV while I'm pumping gas or diesel, and all of the pumps are out of service. So now that we've dealt with that catastrophe, we are on to the next catastrophe. If you have a newer truck and you wanted to have some fun and do some donuts in the snow, or play in the slippy roads, or just go on the dry pavement and do a nice burnout, then I'm sure that you have been faced with the problem of traction control. Even if you hit the button, hold it for 9 seconds, 15 seconds, whatever the procedure, it still limits you on what you can do. So today we are after deleting that permanently. Well, not permanently, but temporarily, fully disabling that. It's on a new rocket science method, although I did find a cool way to have that optional on turning it on or off. I found a post on a forum where a guy wires in jumper wires or whatever to one of the ABS lines going to, I think, the front driver's side wheel. Now, he wired in a jumper switch and wired that wire to one of his upfitter switches in his truck, or the auxiliary switch. So whenever he would flip that switch, it would either break power, or I'm not sure exactly what it did, but I would assume that it would break power to the ABS system, and it would disable the ABS, the traction control, advanced track, whatever would limit you from having fun, pretty much. Now, that is a huge liability purpose. I am not saying do that, and I am not recommending doing what we are about to do here. Though that way is an actual real way that I found to have it optional at your control to disable your traction control and ABS and advanced track fully. But our way today is not going to be like that. We are going to do the hillbilly way, so take it easy. But first, as you can see, we got some snow last night. So whenever there's snow, what do you want to do? You want to go have fun in the snow. And if you have a newer truck that has all this fancy traction control and advanced track and BS, you can't do that. You get a little bit of spin going, you might get a half a donut, power's cut, wheels are locking up in a certain way to keep you from rotating. So to me, that's no fun. The older trucks, get in there, hammer the gas, you're spinning. These trucks here, not so much. We are on our way out to a secret location where we can do some testing on how to temporarily disable traction control. Let's go. Alright, so we made it to the private testing facility, and we are going to attempt to find the ABS fuse. I'm going to do that now.
3 hours later.
Alright, I was just outside, absolutely freezing. My hands are like red. It's 19 degrees, the wind's blowing like crazy, and I'm frozen. But I pulled all of the ABS fuses. Now, look, this isn't a guarantee fix to go do some donuts. This is stupid. I don't recommend you doing this. I'm just doing this for the video to see if it will work, because I actually never tried it in this truck. I've tried it in previous vehicles, pull the ABS fuse, go do donuts, and have full control of the vehicle. But I just wanted to test this to see if it was actually true that you can do this with this truck. So I'm testing this theory now. I couldn't actually find any information on the new 17s of the people, pulling the ABS fuses in order to have full control of the truck and have no traction control or advanced track where it's controlling you from sliding. So As you can see here, I have a bunch of lights on the dash. You're probably gonna think I'm an idiot, but I have the traction control light there. I have a service wrench there. I have the ABS light, and I have the brake service parking brake thingy light there. So I haven't drove it yet. I just got back in. I'm frozen. We're gonna test it out, and we're gonna see if it slides around with. Oh yeah, I don't feel anything trying to stop me from sliding. We have full control of the truck. We are sideways, Tokyo style. Huge success. It worked. Full control of the truck. Nothing stopped me. Nothing's holding back any power. I mean, I figured it would work. I just didn't know this was just a theory to test. So now, if you're out there with a 17 Powerstroke or 17 Ford or new Ford or whatever, I had to look in the manual to see what fuses to pull, but I will give you the fuse numbers here. But let's go outside and do a little footage of some Tokyo Drift. Let's go. All right, I plastered the truck, the camera in mud, but check this out. Ken block status. This is the most fun I've ever had in this truck. Full control over the truck, no power reduction, no steering correction, nothing. Just pure power to the ground, full control to do whatever you want. Now I gotta clean off the camera because it's completely caked in mud. All right guys, that was a huge success. I'm not gonna lie, that was a ton of fun. The truck is absolutely caked in mud. I've actually never taken this truck like really like any type of mudding or off-roading yet, but damn. There's not that much snow, so we got down to the mud, you know, pretty fast. So in the Ford manual, the fuse slots 32, 52, and 59 are all 3 ABS fuses. They're like a pump, a valve, and control, start, stop thingy. So I pulled all 3 of those and it worked. It really did work. I'm gonna put them back in because I don't think the E-locker in the rear to lock the rear differential works anymore. That's controlled by that, but it worked. You can pull those fuses, you can go have some fun. It would probably work on pavement. I just made this video because I couldn't find one. I couldn't find one if anyone, you know, did this in the new 17s. I'm sure it worked. I just couldn't find a video, so I made one. So this is for you guys. But that's it for today. We did some donuts. We're losing a little light here. It's a little dark outside to do any more, you know, filming for anything. Maybe we'll come back tomorrow, but the truck is covered in mud. So tune in tomorrow. We're gonna clean up the truck, go about some daily activities, check out to see what I'm doing in my daily routine. I hope everyone liked the video. If you are into anything in the automotive industry, if you work harder than anyone you know, if you live life to the highest quality, then you are Platinum Built. Hit that subscribe button and officially join the Platinum Built family. I will catch you guys tomorrow. I hope everyone had a great day. That's it for today. Peace!